Alright,
better
welcome
go.
to Sleep Deprived.
Yo, what the
Friendly
fuck is
Moments.
this thing? Can of kick ass. Oh damn!
My nose burns. I can't.
Oh my damn! Fuck!
Give me that shit. Give me the shit. Give me the shit, Mel. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Hand it over. Hand it over. Stand up. Grab it from him. Grab it. Grab him.
Oh shit! Sorry.
Not me, dumbass. Stand up.
Oh,
Why'd you
damn.
touch me? Why'd you touch me? Let go, you fat.
No, we're taking.
Grab. What's this funky little thing?
Oh, I just dropped the phone on my foot. Oh fuck! Oh! Yo, pause! Yo, what up? Fuck you.
Oh. Now get the fuck back here.
The fuck is you going? Come here, dog. Come here. Fuck you, bitch. We're going. Let's go.
What the fuck's going on in the background? What's going on back there?
Kidnapping in the background.
What the fuck is that? Mal, can you stop sucking
Mel,
off
look at
the
the
fucking
picture.
Capri Sun for 10 seconds?
It's all good.
Fuck down.
Now, just stand still for like 10 seconds. Never mind, hold on, I gotta
You have a
test
gun? I
subject.
heard you load something. Oh!
What's the coin?
Oh no! Yeah! I'm at it.
There goes the fat ass.
Oh, please. Stop fucking humping the round! No! You big monkey bitch! Get off the rail! God, get off the rail! You big fat monkey bitch! God damn it! My dude, he was humping the rail. Wait, you saw that, right? He was like, oh. What the fuck
We
happened?
have been consumed.
You beat your fucking ass, boy.
Fucking black liquor. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Black licorice.
It's towards me. Oh, it's Pearl Harbor! Get this shit off me! Get this shit off!
Guys, help me, help me, help me!
Oh, yo, damn.
help.
You getting chopped, my boy. Where you going?
No. I literally get fucking.
It's literally chewing on it. It was
This
it's
shit's
literally
salty.
chewing on it. This shit's salty. You hit me in the ass. I will
Give me a
beat you.
slice of that.
He's got a
What you doing with all that ass? Double cheeked up on a Friday afternoon, God.
I get that fucking yacht, dude.
Good.
You're a stripper?
Fucking just like, man, I'm safe over here. Good thing I can't get drunk. I'm not. I'm Osama bin Laden. Get off my
No! Not again! Of course we're on the airplane when you fucking say that.
plane. Third plane just hit the roll.
On
And
flying.
then he's dead. No, he's
No!
No. Let's do it, America.
Get the fuck out of here. Watch out, Santa. This is banana.
Fat bitch, get the fuck up.
Look at those propellers.
Damn. Oh my god, bro!
You knocked me out again.
What the fuck am I supposed to do? No! Please!
Hold on. What if I just?
Fuck off.
Oh my god. You bitch! Now! Fucking boom!
Goodbye! No!
I'm never gonna get a win in this fucking game, bro. Nah, we're cool, right? Nah, we're cool, right? Can I come up, bro? Bro, I'll pay your taxes!
Yeah, you dead as hell. Get the off! Get off!
Yeah.
Get up, I got you, come here!
Why? Why would you do that? Hey! I'm not gonna. Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh my god! Grab the frying pan, you dumb.
Bang.
I already did.
I tell you, but that's not gonna work with me.
Is Fleming's ass grass right now? Oh yeah.
Wait, he might live. Never
Oh,
mind.
there's this. What? You ain't getting back out. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Why is it so hot in here? No,
Oh
my
God,
shit.
I'm alive. Please
Hey,
don't
shut.
Bro, please don't kill me. Fuck the shit, fucking bitch. Too fast. I'm holding on to you. We're gonna die together. Shit. Fuck.
Yeah.
Come here, bitch. Come here.
Oh, I knocked myself out.
Wait. We can do it.
No.
Yeah.
No. Are you serious?
Oh.
Gun.
Oh, what? What the fuck?
He fell in my
Are you
trip mine.
serious?
I didn't know what just happened.
It was still
Yeah,
live.
without the gun. I stepped on one of the active ones. That's bullshit. Oh! Fucking nice one, jackass. It's red trigger. It's red trigger. Oh. Oh my god, get up, fat ass.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Please. Please, God, please. Come on, please, dude, come on. Come
I
on.
grabbed a fucking car. Wait, I'm alive? Wait, what?
Yes,
Look
wait.
where I am. I'm under the map.
Damn
I
it,
glitched the
bitch.
map and I just went underneath the damn fan.
So I just died before you. Anyways, how did I hit you in the mouth? Can't whoop ass.
Oh my god. Oh no.
You ain't gonna whoop ass
Yeah, back up all that. Back up. Back up all.
Bro, my jawline has become a circumference. My jawline is a radius of a circle.
Please, please.
Beg for mercy.
Why should I beg when I can just demand?
Wow.
Stuck Malak, come here,
For no
come here.
reason.
You're going in the portal with me. You're going
You're
in
going
the
to
black
Brazil.
hole. You're going in the black hole. Get your ass over here. You're going in it. Come here.
You idiot. You gave him the win.
Don't matter to me. As long as you don't get it either.
Oh.
I'm making sure you don't get any fucking wins this round.
Is this gonna be the first game I don't win?
Yes. Homework.
Oh
My god.
Hey boys, more room for one more?
Who did I just knock out? I got knocked out. Yo, who wins here? Who wins here? Who wins here?
It's corpse.
Who wins
It's corpse.
here? Come on.
I'm so mad.
Malvin win once.
I hate this map. This map is so bad.
I think you're gonna call it racist. Anyways, fuck you.
Malt liquor.
You think I done with you ass?
Oh,
Oh, bye now.
Mal, I got you. I got you. Mal.
Yo, you dead as hell.
Psych. That's the wrong number.
We all dying.
No, I'm not with you. I don't know.
What?
Global warming.
You can't let him win. You can't
Come
let him
here.
win. Buddy. Please, I believe in you. You can't let him. I gave you one fucking goal.
Too bad.
I gave you one job.
And the streak continues. Just notice,
What?
Crown looks like a W.
Huh?
Crown looks
What?
like a W.
Are you
A
okay?
crown? Oh my god, he's right.
It all makes sense now.
What are you talking about?
Beginning to believe. A crown looks like a W. You know, W win.
No fucking shit. General shit.
You think you such a know-it-all.
Oh god. Oh god.
Yes,
Set up. Set up. I
you
apologize for
gotta
everything I've ever done to you. Please help me.
Shit.
Please help me. Please.
God
Mal.
damn it. Oh wait, hold on.
I'm getting out this game. I can't shoot my face over.
Can't take this shit no.
Who's gonna win? Who won?
I'm out this bitch. I'm going to Narnia.
This game is so A's. I love it. Oh, bye.
I missed it.
Yo, please. Yo.
It'd be funny if that bomb.
You hear that high pitched noise.
He's gonna hit me.
Yo.
Yup, you ain't coming back. Get up. Get up.
Shit.
Pick it up.
Pick it up. How come you guys get a can of water?
Oh. Get off
Come
me.
here. Alright, hold on. Let me get to the edge. Send me off!
Please, please.
No.
You won. You won.
So
Fucking
crazy.
No way you just let. Hey man. Where's Mal at? Oh, I fucking saw him.
Yeah. It's all your fault. You too.
Why would you do that?
Come here, bitch. Come here. Come here. Oh damn. Yo, hold on. Wait.
The blur. The blur
Flaming is just fucking.
thing.
Fucking suck, dude. Oh, you suck, Nick. I'm dead. What happened? What happened? What happened, man? What happened? What the fuck happened?
Hey boys.
She's like, beat. Yo,
Oh! Fuck,
in there.
oh no!
Being
swim,
chilling.
boy. Swim. I wanna see you swim, boy.
Bro, leave me alone!
What the fuck did he do,
Leave me
bro?
alone! No, I don't wanna play the game! Please.
Your ass is coming down here with
Let
me.
go
You ain't
of
getting
me,
the fuck up
you
there. Nah,
fat
you
lard.
drowning with me.
Let go
You
of
drowning
me.
with me.
Oh my god! I'm gonna hit you so fucking hard.
You would never punch me in the face.
Look
would
at
you?
my
You
misogynistic.
never do.
I
Pick the test up.
fuck you. Anyways. Oh!
Collateral
Why my
damage.
nose? Why is my nose? Oh, hey man, how you doing? Oh, damn it.
Oh
Oh,
shit!
hey man, how you doing?
I'm upside down.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
You're
Guys.
drowning me. Then if you were holding my
Don't
ass
worry, Moth, I'll break you out.
upside down. fucking, go to sleep, 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 go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Fuck you
You
now.
are making sure I couldn't breathe.
But I
See,
can't
Mel,
fight
it's funny whenever you're the one not being told to sleep. Stop taking
Yo, what's
right
this
from
funny looking thing?
Oh my god, I'm
I got your stand up. Don't
Let
worry, he
go
can
of
never
me,
hurt you
you
again.
fat. Yo, go to sleep.
Drop the weapon!
Why you trying to tase me? I am the one knocked out. His ass is armed. Is he trying to tase my ass?
I'm fully dead. This game, bro.
Wait. I am fucking taking God.
Shut the fuck up. Fucker, shut headed ass. I hope you get a cut.
Fuck up, you dumb motherfucker. Shut up, shut up.
I hope you get a cut on your lip and it burns.
You wanna know what the definition of this fucking game is in one sentence? Just fucking come up and get your shit ran, you dumb motherfucker.
Alright, stand up, end it off with the scream.